That coffee dripped on your white sneakers? Or was it oil coming off that slice of pizza? Not to worry. In this video, we're going to show you an easy way to spot clean the mesh area of your sneakers. All you need is some hydrogen peroxide. Using a cotton swab, dab some hydrogen peroxide directly onto the stained area. You don't need to mix with water, just apply it full concentration straight from the bottle. Saturate the area fully, then let it sit to air dry completely. Once dried, you'll see the stain has completely faded away. For darker stains, simply repeat the process again. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.